is Teacher Beth. I'm the one who will guide you in your journey of learning. Continue watching. You can like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos. But before we start our topic for today, let me share to you a life encouragement verse that can be seen in Psalms chapter 46 verse 1, and it quoted this way: God is our refuge and strength, a helper who is always found in times of trouble. After this topic, you are expected to recognize the use of a and an plus a noun. Our topic today is based on most essential learning competency in English 2 for quarter 1. Come on, read with me. Let us read the following CVC words. Man. Man. Sa Tagalog, kalalakihan. Next, hen. Sa Tagalog, inahin. Pen. In Tagalog term, this is a ball pen. 10. In Tagalog, 10. And now, let's sound the following vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U, U. Let's try the consonant letters. B, K, D, F, K, H, Ch, K, O, M, N, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And our topic for today is recognizing the use of a and an plus a noun. Are you ready now to learn the new topic today? I have here a picture. Please observe. What do you observe from this picture? What do you observe on this picture? Can you see something? Can you say something about this picture? Do you observe some things around here? First, the picture. What can you observe? What things around here? Study the picture. We can see that there is a telephone. There is also a pen, a bond paper, a book, an organizer. So these things can be seen in the picture. We can see that the lady is holding the telephone and a pen. As what we observe from the picture that given, we observe that A is used before words that starts in a consonant letter, while an is used before a word when it starts with a vowel letter. Let's try to examine the examples. Cat. So we use a because cat, the word cat starts with a consonant letter. Next, a book. We use a or a because B is a consonant letter. Next, a radio. So we use a because R is also a consonant letter. A radio. At this example, an apple. So we use an because And can be used after a word that starts with a sound of a vowel letter. Example, an orange. The next word, the next letter is O. So O is a vowel letter, so we use an. Next, an egg. E or E is a vowel letter. Next, an elephant. E also is a vowel letter. An elbow. Sa Tagalog, siko. So we use an because elbow, the word elbow, starts with a vowel letter. So let's try this one. Let's try these examples. A. So we use a dog or a. An owl. So we use an. An owl. Next, ano kayang gagamitin natin? Is it a or an? We use a. The sound of a is ba. An eggplant. So we use an because the next word, it starts with a vowel letter.